What is everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome error ERR SSL protocol that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're specifically getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first easiest thing you can do is just search for internet options into your search bar, and then in here click into advanced. And actually, before you even go to advanced, go to where it says content and do clear SSL state. Usually this SSL error will go away once you do that, and if it doesn't, then we're going to basically move on to the next step, which is go into advanced, go all the way at the bottom and do use SSL 3.0. Do be careful, this might have some security issues on like some from cyber attacks and whatnot, so see if this fixes it for you. This one I would recommend like kind of doing some research if you want to go down this route or not. Now if that also doesn't fix it, the next and basically last thing you can do is for your Chrome, just straight up uninstall it and reinstall it again, and then go from there. You'd be surprised, a lot of times doing this fixes a lot of these issues because there could be some update error or some window error. Just go down that route. Once you do this, you guys should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, please thumbs up. Guys, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that Mo Tutorials out. Peace.